Hello guys, and welcome to another video. In this one I'll be showing you how to service your Vauxhall Zafira. This is the 1.8 petrol version. First we're going to remove the air filter. To remove this you need to remove the 5 T25 screws. To access the screw in the top right corner you will need to unplug the sensor. And I'll be showing you how to do that in a moment. Okay, so just unscrew the screws. Should be very easy and quick. Then simply press and unplug the sensor to access the final bolt or screw. Next, just lift it up, be gentle with it, make sure you don't break it, it's plastic, and remove the old air filter. And then place in the new one. Again, just gently, take your time. It's probably worth cleaning it if it's dirty inside. Mine was pretty clean, so I didn't do anything with it. Anyway, so place it back and slowly screw the screws back in. And of course plug in the sensor. Next we have the oil change. So first jack up the car. Make sure your car is on a level. Always remember safety first. Next, lift the dipstick and remove the engine oil cap. This is to loosen the pressure when we drain the oil from the bottom. Next, remove the drain plug. It's a T45 screw bit. Next, wait 10 to 15 minutes to drain the oil. Next, we're going to replace the oil filter to 24mm socket. Loosen the filter, then remove it. As you can see, this one's very used up. Take out the old rubber seal and replace it with a new one. Make sure to lubricate it. And place the new oil filter back with a 24 Nm torque setting. Next, we're going to check how much oil was removed for reference. Place back the drain plug using a 30 Nm torque setting and place the new fuel. For this car I used the 5W30. I also used a can just to measure how much exactly I was putting into the car. Make sure to recycle the oil. It is very harmful, so do not put it down the drain or down the road. Yeah, it's very, very important to recycle the oil that you use. So I put it in. Anyways, thank you for your time. See you in the next video.